a story now full of questions about what's going on in Canada's healthcare system, and specifically one Alberta hospital. CTV News has spoken to a patient who claims she was left waiting for more than 24 hours, forgotten by staff, in what's being described as a closet. CTV's Kathy Lee reached out to the woman, who says she has the photos to prove it. Kathy?
Sandy, Rose Roll says she is angry and traumatized after her experience at the Chinook Regional Hospital in Lethbridge, Alberta. This is a storage room that she stayed in for more than 24 hours before she was discharged. Rose is undergoing treatment for cancer and needs to be closely monitored at the hospital. On the 6th day of her week-long stay, she says staff told her they needed her bed for a sicker patient and moved her to that storage room. Rose says it was dirty, that she didn't get the care she required. She says she even had to find a new sheet for her bed and water.
I was really sad. I was disgusted. I just felt like, honestly, I felt like inmates got treated better. I felt really demoralized. What really scares me is, what if I have to go back there again? Like, I legitimately have that fear now.
A patient advocacy group says Rose's story doesn't come as a shock and that there have been similar cases in other provinces across the country.
I don't think governments have done enough to address this ongoing problem with a lack of resources and a lack of caregivers, which leaves patients in the lurch. The pandemic took a really high toll on our healthcare system, especially on caregivers and on budgets, and really exposed the previous existing cracks that were in the system.
Alberta Health Services says it apologizes for what happened and has since cleaned up the room and removed the shelving unit. It says that the hospital is experiencing a high number of patients and the unit Rose was in is under a respiratory outbreak. Sandy.
CTV's Kathy Lee.